sure if you're going to...
I think we're gonna die, T.
Think so?
I think we're getting shot at, T.
Ooh. Oh lord, oh
Might
lord, oh
survive
lord.
that. No, you're dead.
Dude, motorbike is meta in this, right? There's nothing to fucking... Just...
Looking dead at you, bud. I saved you.
Oop.
Oh, he died. Brian's dead, boys. He's no longer safe.
You didn't save his fucking life, he died.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Apparently.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman. That little boy, though.
Absolutely obliterating your cheek.
To do that. Or like the shortcut, I mean. Or whatever the fuck you want to call it.
Hey, we gotta go north, northwest, boys.
Dude, we're getting shot. We're literally, I'm getting shot.
Yo, he's behind. He's coming from the south, bro. Turn around.
Priority move, guys. If you want priority points, go to the middle.
He's pushing from south. There he is. Run. Bro, I was getting shot by everyone.
Same.
Yo, Sirloin, get in here, bro.
Sirloin. Fuck you, liberal.
Oh, now he is.
Look at this goober, bruh.
Look
This
at
guy's
this.
this guy's never watched like an actual war video or anything. Got mags in his AK, retard. What a goober, dude. This guy lives in his mom's basement if you put drum mags on AKs. This goober's gun. Oh my god, he got a 60-round magazine. Goober. You run drum mags?
That's what your mum said when I fucked her.
How about you brush your teeth, you filthy cunt?
How about you brush your teeth with dog brush as usual, you filthy prick?
Hey, how is it up here? What's up, Ukrainian? Huh? Yeah. Friendly enough to let you walk down the stairs without killing you, but... I mean, eventually we're gonna have to... Well, I'm not gonna shoot you right here, man. I mean, that's kind of fucked up, but...
I might bleed out here, man. I can't. It's not letting me apply any...
Yeah, he's already my prisoner. Come check him out.
He really is.
Not doing none.
Try dragging it onto the injury, like where it's bleeding.
Yeah, I've tried that. I don't know, my character's handicapped or something, I think.
Are you sure you're bleeding and don't just have like a broken bone?
Yeah, no, I got high blood loss. I'm about to pass out.
Well, man, it was nice seeing you.
Yeah.
I never knew
I
why.
think it's just like a symbol or something, maybe for the military. I think. I don't really know.
I know
Is that
that
a
you.
horn?
That's my ass.
It sounds like a trumpet.
It was this Russian Jeep's horn, dude.